I bet nobody has ever talked about this update I'm about to show you right now. There is an app which is called Goloka. Goloka or Golokia. Alright. So this app is a survey site, and this survey site is here in Nigeria. Nobody has ever talked about this survey site. This survey site is here in Nigeria, works very well in Nigeria. Even it is Nigeria-based survey site, and that pays you huge amount for answering survey question. So let's go to your Chrome browser and type Goloka. Sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrong. Or so it is called Goloka. Yes, Goloka. So just type local.io. It's going to bring you this interface. This is not a referral based platform. There are a lot of things they are hiding in this. Like there are a lot of things. There are a lot of updates they are hiding. Like seriously. So when you go to this site, goloka.io, you're going to see the interface like this. So you just click on this sign up here. You click on this sign up here. This sign up you're seeing here. So when you click on the sign up, it's going to take you to where you enter your full name, email address, password, and confirm that you are 18. And note, if you are not up to 18, because you're not going to get access or registered on this platform. Okay, so if you are not up to 18, you can just scroll this video and pass by. If you're up to 18 or more, then this video is for you, because you are going to be making a lot of money from this update I'm about to show you. Nobody is talking about it, I bet you. Nobody has ever talked about this update, and this update pays in Nigeria. They pays in naira. All right. So once you enter your full name, email address, and everything, you click on the sign up. For as for me, I already have an account, so I'll click on login. So after I click on this login, I input my email and password. But I use my Google account to sign up. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account. All right. Once you sign up with your Google account, it's going to bring an interface like this for you. To detect your location, just click on detect location. This is not a harmful website or something. It is verified under the government. It is verified by Nigerian government. So any details you are giving here, they are not using your data for anything. They're just you just get to answer survey questions and get paid. So you can see the minimum withdrawal balance, which is 1,000 naira. This is very sweet, because you are earning more than that per month of it. So let me just go to the survey task, so as not for this video to be very long like that. All right, so you can see this survey that is currently available right now. If you are in Abia or Aba North, or those north side, this survey is for you, and they're going to be paying you 2,500 naira per survey. You can see 2,500 naira per survey. So if you can answer this survey, doesn't take more than just 2 to 5 minutes to answer, and you move to the next one. Like, see, they are paying 2,500 naira per survey here in Nigeria, bro. You need to get on this. Like, if you're looking for urgent 2K, you see it here. They will pay you less than 24 hours, bro. This survey is very paying. So there's one thing about this is that before you can start any survey, so that's why I just wanted to create this video, so as to show you how you're going to go about it step by step. So, all right, let me go back to the sign up process. So once you sign up, they're going to ask you some questions based on your personal information. They're going to ask you your full name, your date of birth, your uh address, or maybe something. So they're going to ask you some personal information about yourself. So just make sure that the information you are giving to them are accurate. Like, those information match what is in your BVN. If you have a BVN, bank verification number, because you are going to be needing it on this survey site. You are going to be needing it here. Not because maybe they want to use your BVN or something or anything. So probably this survey site is verified under government. We are still going to check it and cross check it. So I'm still going to take you to the process. We are going to check their verification. All right. So before you start any survey on this site, once you sign up like this, you will see it here. Before you can start any survey, let me click on the one survey here. Let me click on one survey, right? So as you can see, these are the locations requested to, like, These are the locations the surveys are available. All right, so this survey is not available in my location right now. So you can see all these location, all these street name, or let me say town. You can see there. If yours is there, you can answer these questions. And even if it's not, you can still answer it. As long as maybe you are related there, or you know some things about uh maybe some things about things going on there. All right. So you can, as you can see this button showing below which says contribute. Wait, here, as you can see here that is showing contribute. You can see that it's not showing you the contribute is not highlighting. That means that you have not verified your account. So there is only one way to verify your account, which is your BVN. You're going to be using your BVN to verify your account before you start any survey, because you cannot start any survey immediately you sign up unless you verify your account with your BVN. So you're going to verify your account with your BVN here, which says verify your account. You're going to be clicking on it to verify your account. So once you click on it, you can see complete your verification. You are required to complete your verification before you can contribute to any campaign. That means before you can even start any survey to earn. And here below say be assured that your BVN is not saved on our server. That means they don't even have any access to your BVN. It's just for them to verify you are authentic and you are a real person. You know, when Nigerians that if we found an update that pays very huge like this, we will like to create multiple accounts and earn more money. So this is what they are preventing from happening. All right. So you just input your BVN here. So once you input your BVN, you're going to input your banking before. Like the sweetest part here is that there is OP. Jesus. You can see it OP Digital Service Limited. So you input your account number. You're going to input your account number there. So once you input your account number, it's going to bring your name. It's going to bring your name like, oh shit. It's going to bring your name here. Okay. So once you verify that this is your details are correct and complete, so you click on submit, and once you submit it, they are going to approve your verification. Once they approve your verification, you can start taking surveys and making money for yourself. Like, this app is not complicated at all. Once you take surveys and you contribute to their to campaigns or things like that. So you just sharing your opinion here in Nigeria, just sharing your opinion about things going on here in Nigeria, all those banditry, corruptions, many things going on in Nigeria. We all know what is going on, bro. Let's not lie. We all know what is going on. All right. So just bringing your opinion about what is going on. For like example now, this this survey. Let's take this survey as an example. Like female Nigerian police service access research. Sorry, state policing. So it says this research aims to identify and understand this spirit or what's this Jesus disparities and gaps in citizen access to police service. Like, people are not getting access to police service anymore. Like, maybe there is something going on in your city or in your town or something, you try to call the police, they might charge you even higher or something like that before they can even arrive. Or even before they arrive, sef, the victim would have been injured, or all those kind of things police do now. So just put your opinion there. This is what is happening here, so blah blah blah. All these police are not. See, just put your opinion, bro. The honest truth. This is what this survey wants. So once you put it, like once you answer the question and submit your this thing. Once they approve it, you're getting paid ASAP. There are two surveys available right now, and for your information, like, these surveys are not surveys that you are going to see many surveys on this side. You are not going to see many surveys. This one are just those two that are available right now, in because there are some things going on in Abia or Aba North. If you are listening to news, so there are some things going on. So that's what they created this campaign based on what is going on right now in Aba North. Okay, so for the sake of maybe restriction or something, I'm not going to go deep into this. All right, so those that's the interface and You can see marketplace here. Just click on this. Sorry. If you want to go more about like if you want to, right. So there are a lot of things you can do on this site also. You can advertise your product or even post some things there. So you can see your total earnings, you can see your withdrawals, you can see everything here. So there's no more thing to talk about this site. Yeah, there's no more things to talk about. Let me open another tab and search the authentication of this site. So you guys will know that this is real and it's authentic. For those of you that will be scared of putting your BBN, or maybe they want to steal your details or bank account or money or something like that, all those kind of stuff. Oh, sorry. Let's check the name of this site first. Alright, so you can see as I've searched here, is Goloka survey legit? And this AI says Goloka is a legit market intelligence and data collection platform that rewards users for completing survey and participating in research. Primarily operating in Nigeria, like it is operating in Nigeria right now because it's Nigerian survey. The platform has disposed, like it has distributed over 200 million naira to thousands of verified accounts that contribute to their survey campaign. Alright, so and this survey site I'm talking about is a verified survey site under data fight, which are collaborated with legitimate organizations like data fight. Yes, data fight. If you're if you're how would I put it? If you are into surveys in Nigeria, you would have known data fight, which is a strong and solid platform in Nigeria, which is verified. And Meta, and we all know Meta, which is a Facebook this thing, Facebook platform. Right. So it even shows us how it works here. Platform you can complete surveys via a local platform of blah blah blah. Your verification, and you can see as it states here, to ensure authentic response and prevent bug activity. You can see Goloka requires bank verification, which is validation for all users, and it says your profile name must match perfectly with the name on your BVN. So that's why I told you the other before that if you are putting your details, just make sure it match with your details on your BVN. So you can go over and ask the AI question. Maybe is my BVN safe with Goloka? So all this research this AI is making their real-time research. Okay, so you don't need to worry about maybe your BVN is safe or not. Your BVN is safe on this site. So the platforms specifically state that your BVN, wait, okay, the platform specifically state that your BVN is not safe on their server. I've already shown you that in their app. So you can see, why is your BVN or identity verification safe? It's just to verify your identity, like just to verify you are a real person, not a fraudster. Maybe because you cannot create multiple accounts with this BVN verification. Because once you have used your BVN to verify on one account before, you cannot use it to verify on another account. So that's how this site basically works. Let's just go back to the app part. So that's how the app basically works. Just answer survey question. Assuming I've used my BVN to verify this, I'm going to answer one survey question here. So this contribute is going to show, like it's going to, the bill is going to highlight, so I'll click on it and answer question, and you see how the questions are being answered. But I've not used my BVN to verify. I just want to make this video for you guys to know how to use to verify your BVN account on this site. Okay, so try this out and thank me later in the comment section, because I know you're going to thank me. You're going to thank me. We are subscribed to this channel right now. Click on the subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell for another update. So I'm going to drop my WhatsApp community group link in the comment section or in the description of this video. Do well to join the community so as for you to get the latest updates as I'm dropping.